Anyway, hey, guess what, guys? What day is it? Wednesday? It's Wednesday. It's a little cloudy, so we're hoping the storm holds off. It's Dynamo Day, and what do we say at the beginning?
What do we say at the beginning?
Turn it up, let's go.
Turn it up, let's go.
Today's the 3rd of July, so tomorrow's obviously the 4th of July, so there's gonna be fireworks tonight, I'm pretty sure, as long as the rain holds off. And it's gonna be a good time. So of course we're starting our night off, what we always do. Getting food with the main man at Neil's Bar. And he's got the llama. Yay! Good? Alright, I gotta eat. I'm gonna get on it. Yeah, that was delicious. $5 a taco. Highly suggested. He's a good dog. Hey, baby. How you doing? And we're done at Neil's Bar. Now we're gonna go to True Anomaly because he wants to get the orange beer that Yvette got last time because he liked it. So
Not necessarily.
orange team, orange beer. Yes, you just said that. You just said
I
that.
just said what was it? I didn't say I really wanted to go get it.
Why would you be asking about it if you didn't want to get
I
it?
don't know.
Anyway,
Because I'm a complicated person with complicated thoughts.
hey, True Anomaly. Let's go. Hey, cheers. Let's go Dynamo. We're gonna beat New York. That's good. It's called the 16 Sunrises. It's like orange. It's real good. What do you think? You like it? That's what you wanted?
Yes.
Yes. It's a complicated man. Hey, and now we're done at True Anomaly. So we still got about 30 minutes till the game starts. We're gonna do one more trip. We go on 8th Wonder. Let's go. He's not thrilled. Yeah.
Oh no. We're not waiting.
It's really busy and he doesn't want to wait. He's being lame. There was a line. He doesn't want to wait in lines.
I'm old. I don't have that much time.
It just got like really, really humid. Like, we were talking about, oh, it's not so bad outside today. It's not great. Anyway, it looks like the Scooter Brown Band is playing. So, Scooter Brown Band time. Let's go. don't come to the beer garden tent, but we did for some reason today. Probably $5 beers, but Happy 4th of July, everybody, right? In case this is the end of the video, we're gonna see. This is the part where I put the camera away. See you in a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! We made it. Get out of our seats. Get out of our seats. Woo! Game time. Let's go, Dynamo. None of our seatmates are here. I keep trying to turn the camera on to show you something exciting, but everything's just been near misses so far this game. We're 25th minute in, and just back and forth ball control game. Not a whole lot going on, so. Oh, another foul. Woo. All game long. Boo. Another missed opportunity. I think he just had a stroke. Okay. He's very sad that I stopped recording. Dynamo. Let's go, Dynamo. See, it's done. That's why I cut it off. See, can't take you anywhere. Can't take him anywhere. And now they just gave the happiest, nicest guy on our team a yellow card. Nonsense. It's so crowded today. It's halftime. Oh, that could be it too. Yeah, it is crowded in here today. It's a holiday weekend though, so what can you do? We're gonna try to find a popcorn, but it's halftime. It's probably a bad idea. Pero caliente. It looks like $1. There's too many goddamn people here tonight. It's a lot of people. And halftime's over. Back to the game. Are you excited, Steve?
Yes, I am. I've had 2 hot dogs.
How were your dollar hot dogs?
They were very good. They were hot and they were dog-like.
Cool. Oh, we got a wave. We got a wave incoming. We got a wave incoming. Woo! Ah! It hit the rail.
There was a premature smoke.
They shot the smoke and everything, but it didn't go in. It's okay. We got a corner. Woo, that was close. That was premature smoke. Woo. All right, corner, let's go. Woo! Let's go, 3. Lunges, let's go. Let's go. Oh! Let's go! Oh, it's another water break. Oh. Best song in Texas. We usually do this is the 7th inning stretch and outro. Essentially what this is. The stars at night are big and bright. Deep in the heart of Texas, the prairie skies are wide and high. Deep in the heart of Texas, sage in bloom. It's like perfume, deep in the heart of Texas. Reminds me of the ones I love, deep in the heart of Texas. Deep in the heart of Texas. Around the brush, deep in the heart of Texas. And of course, it's the 76 minutes, so we're not going to win free gas today. The day before, we celebrated 1776.
Easiest promotion for a company to ever do.
They 76 has never given away gas.
And
There's never been a goal in the 76 minute. We're not even playing right now in the 76 minutes. But hey, at least we got to sing deep in the heart of Texas, you know. Bright side.
Bye. Bye.
Red card, let's go. Let's go, Dynamo. Uh-oh. Lights are turning down. You know what that means. It's time for fireworks. I'm gonna shut up now and let y'all watch, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we draw your attention to the pitch as we get underway with our pitch.
it'd be pretty bad if it wasn't synced to the music, right? You know? Alright, I guess that's it. So, what do we say at the end?
Adios, amigos. See you later.
Adios, amigos. Till the next time.
Adios, amigos. Till the next time.